All right, so if you stumble upon this video, it's probably because you're searching for a method on how to fix the orientation on your Facebook live stream so that way it's not sideways whenever you go to post your Facebook Live. So I'm going to answer that question through my trial and error and my frustration of running into the same problem and what I did to fix it. So that's today's video. Before we begin, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified for future videos. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So I know technology and social media can be frustrating at times. And in the case, whenever you're trying to go live on Facebook and your orientation of your video is not the right way, it can be pretty frustrating. So today I was practicing doing some testing on my iPad and I was doing some practice Facebook Lives to make sure everything was okay audio-wise and visually wise. And so I had my iPad tilted like this, all right? So it was in the right orientation, horizontally, just like this, the way that you would want to broadcast on Facebook to go landscape style like that. And then when I hit post after recording a little test and watching it back on the Facebook feed, it was the wrong orientation. And that can be frustrating, especially if you're making a long length video and you put a lot into it and then everybody's got to watch it with their head tilted sideways like this whenever they're looking at it on their news feed. So yes, it can be very frustrating, but this is how you fix it. Real quick, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about with the wrong angle of video because some people may not know, and I just want you guys to see what it looks like. Okay, so this was the test video that I did here. I'm going to turn the volume down on this. But as you can see, I had it sideways like that. And that's when I was doing my little test video, that's not the way it should look. Okay, as you can see, this is how I fixed it. I mean, don't pay attention to the video. It's just a test video that I did, but you can see that I fixed it and it is in horizontal mode, the correct orientation that we wanted it to be in. Okay, so let me show you on the iPad here what I'm talking about and how to fix that. You got to go into the settings. So let me just give you visuals so that way you know how to do it. So I got the iPad here and I am on the Facebook Live. I'm holding it the incorrect way. This is like the vertical way. I've got those cables on the ground to kind of give you guys a visual of what we're going to record and live stream, but I've got it this way. Now watch, when you turn it here, the orientation turned with it. See how all those icons on the bottom are now there? If you turn it this way, they flip that way. That's what you want. So whenever you want to start your broadcast, make sure you flip it like this and those icons turn with it also. Okay, so I put it into the harness that I have here for it, and I'm recording those wires that I have on the floor just for demonstration purposes. It's in there, it's in horizontal mode. If you look down here on the bottom corner, there's a magic wand, it's got a star. You're gonna want to tap on that, brings up those funny filters again. And if you look on the bottom, there's all these different icons. You're gonna wanna go to where the screwdriver is and the wrench. Tap on that, brings up like a tools menu. Right here is the orientation. So I got that on there for demonstration purposes. Watch what happens when I tap this first one. It flips the orientation, or flips it. So that it's on the opposite side. I'm gonna flip it back. This is the way it should be. This right here flips it vertically. So yeah, you can get some really crazy videos by doing this, and then we'll flip it back the way it should be. So before you start your broadcast, go to tools, just flip the horizontal so that way it's the correct orientation, the way that you're wanting to record. After you get done with that, you'll hit the X, and then you'll start, if you want to title something, you title it here, and then you'll start your broadcast. Okay, just to give you a glimpse of the incorrect way to do this, as you can see, the icons did not rotate when I have this thing in this harness and tilted like this. I want these icons to be on the bottom so that it knows that we are recording a horizontal, not a vertical type of video. So I'm going to take it out of the harness. So it goes like that, and then turn it there. That's how you know it's supposed to be a horizontal video. So we got it in there like that. It should be ready to record now. Okay, so now it is broadcasting. We have a live video. As you can see, it's going live right there. I'm recording the cable, and we'll just record a few seconds. It's got to record like 4 seconds to be able to have a live broadcast. All right, so it's past 4 seconds. I'll click this finish button, ending live video. Okay, and then we're going to hit post. And as you can see, all right, so it's uploading right there. Okay, refresh it. And then bam, right there it is. As you can see, it is the correct orientation. It is in horizontal mode, and the broadcast is recording properly. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful to you. I know that this can be frustrating sometimes, especially if you're recording something important and you want it to live stream the right way. This is the right way to do it. So I learned by messing up also, so don't feel bad if you're the one that posted a video that was incorrect. We all do it. This is the fix. Hopefully it helped you out. If it did, throw a thumbs up on this. Maybe go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make helpful videos like this all the time. I'd love to have you back at the next one. Until then, be creative.